Guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Answer the Public for your YouTube ideas. So first head over to Google and type in Answer the Public. Let's click on the first link. Wait for the page to load for the dashboard of Answer the Public. So let's say, for example, you're going to click on search keywords and make it English and choose your country, for example US. Let's say, for example, we're going to search for the YouTube topic, how to download Steam on PC, and hit search. Let's connect our Google account. Let's say, for example, how to download Steam on PC. Click search, and here you have the top ideas on that keyword and the long tail keywords and the related keywords of your main keyword here. So give it a time. This data is being loaded, and here it is, guys. You have all the social media platforms that this keyword can be found. So you have to download Steam VR on PC. You can how to download Steam VR or how to download Steam on PC 2025. You have the related all keywords for YouTube and all the social media for that specific keyword. And this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.